Welcome to Skillznet, where you are empowered for independence and self-reliance. More than ever before, people are looking for opportunities for multiple streams of income, leading to financial freedom. However, your capacity to earn is directly proportional to your depth of relevant knowledge and skills. At Skillznet, we empower you with skills for financial independence. Our vision is to become a leading skill development platform, globally stationed to educate, enrich, and empower for independence and self-reliance. We are on a mission to create a world where anyone, anywhere, can transform one's life into meaningful existence by accessing a world-class learning experience, and also creating wealth for oneself by sharing the same value with others. Technology today is enabling and amplifying the potential of people, and it's a function of two things: what you know and what you're connected to. Skillznet is built on these fundamentals: skills through knowledge and networking. We have an array of courses that will equip you for financial freedom, all for a one-time payment of $10 only. Courses already listed include Forex trading. Forex trading is the act of buying or selling currencies. Banks, central banks, corporations, institutional investors, and individual traders exchange foreign currency for a variety of reasons, including balancing the markets, facilitating international trade and tourism, or making a profit, etc. The Forex market is the largest financial market in the world. Digital currency trading. Digital currency is a balance or a record stored in a distributed database on the internet, in an electronic computer database, within digital files, or a stored value card. Examples of digital currencies include cryptocurrencies, virtual currencies, central bank digital currencies, etc. Blogging. A blog is a discussion or informational website published on the World Wide Web, consisting of discrete, often informal, diary-style text entries. Posts are typically displayed in reverse chronological order, so that the most recent post appears first, at the top of the web page. E-commerce. E-commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling products on online services or over the internet. Content marketing. Content marketing is a form of marketing focused on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a type of performance-based marketing in which a business rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. Social media marketing. Social media marketing, or SMM, is a form of internet marketing that involves creating and sharing content on social media networks to achieve your marketing and branding goals. Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of improving the quality and quantity of website traffic to a website or a web page from search engines. SEO targets unpaid traffic rather than direct traffic or paid traffic. Facebook marketing. Facebook marketing is a platform that offers a variety of highly targeted paid advertisements and organic posts, allowing brands to put their products and services in front of a massive audience. Instagram marketing. Instagram marketing is the way that brands use Instagram to connect with their target audiences and market their offerings. Twitter marketing. A Twitter marketing strategy is a plan centered on creating, publishing, and distributing content for your buyer personas, audience, and followers through the social media platform. YouTube marketing. YouTube marketing is the practice of promoting businesses and products on its platform by uploading valuable videos on a company's YouTube channel or using YouTube ads. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. E-commerce with WooCommerce. WooCommerce is an open-source e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It is designed for small to large-sized online merchants using WordPress. And many more courses still loading. Also, you have access to over 10,000 ebooks in our Skillznet e-library. All these for a one-time payment of $10 only. We also have our optional products designed for you to learn and earn. You will access our live trading and training sessions from our seasoned educators, as well as our Signal platform, which enables you to learn and earn on the go. Our optional packages are SwingNet. With SwingNet, you access high-probability swing trade alerts, access high-probability swing trade setups. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. Intranet. With Intranet, you can access live training sessions, access weekly trade outlook, access high-probability day trade alerts, learn high-probability trading strategies, access high-probability trade setups. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. Dcxnet. With Dcxnet, you have access to understanding the digital currency environment, understanding digital currency trading, access to high-probability digital currency trade alerts, digital currency overview. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. Also, you can subscribe to the following: the Fundamental Dashboard, where you access already filtered high-probability trades, access up-to-date fundamental information on daily market directions. This is available for 90 days with a $100 subscription. And the Indices Premium, where you access premium indices alerts, access premium indices trade setups. This is available for 30 days with a $200 subscription. Skillznet Compensation Plan. Welcome to a world of endless possibilities. The Skillznet Compensation Plan is an exciting opportunity that rewards you for selling its services and sponsoring other participants who do the same. Individual results will vary based on individual commitment levels and sales skills. There are 7 different ways you can earn from Skillznet Compensation Plan. 1. Non-cash incentive. You will have access to some non-cash incentives, which will be explained later in this presentation. 2. Stage completion bonus. With the stage completion bonus, you earn a stage completion bonus as you complete each stage and move to higher ranks. 3. Referral bonus. You earn a referral bonus for each person that registers through your sponsor ID or referral link. 4. Leadership bonus. You receive leadership bonuses for building your team. 5. Level bonus. You earn level bonuses as you move from one stage to another. 6. Travel incentive. Here, you earn an all-expense-paid study leisure trip. 7. Global pool bonus. At the completion of the Black Diamond Ambassador stage, you qualify to start sharing from the company's quarterly percentage global pool bonus. Everyone joins with a $10 basic registration to access an array of our Skillznet skill-based products. Building your Skillznet business is optional, but highly rewarding if you decide to share this indispensable platform with others. Welcome to your world of endless possibilities. The Skillznet compensation plan starts with 3 feeder levels, and they are from feeder 1 to 3. This is where your journey of leverage begins. In feeder 1, which is also the starter rank, you earn $1.25 as level bonus for each person you introduce to the platform. You also earn a 62-cent referral bonus per person. For example, if you invite Tony and he subscribes to Skillznet with $10, you invite Mabel and Chris and they also subscribe with $10 each. You will earn a $1.25 level bonus from Tony, Mabel, and Chris. That's a total of $3.75. You also earn a referral bonus of 62 cents on each of them. That is a total of $1.85 of referral bonus, and a total of $5.60 earned from the feeder 1. In feeder 2, which also has the bronze rank, you earn $2.50 for each of your team member that joins you at bronze rank, making a total of $7.50. You also earn a step out bonus of $1.25. That is a total of $8.75 earned from Feeder 2. In Feeder 3, which is also the silver rank, you earn $7.50 for each of your team members that joins you at silver rank, making a total of $22.50. You also earn a step-out bonus of $2.50. That is a total of $25 earned from Feeder 3. At the completion of Feeder 3, the system upgrades you to Stage 1, which is the Platinum Executive rank. When you build your team beyond Tony, Mabel, and Chris, as you begin to have more people joining you, Skillznet upgrades your reward level. And here it gets even more interesting. The good thing about the Skillznet compensation plan is that everyone wins together. You need 12 people to join you at this level. You earn $17.50 for each of your team members that joins on this stage. That's a total of $210. You also earn a step-out bonus of $40. You earn a total of $250 at the Platinum Executive rank. The system automatically upgrades you to the next rank, which is the Emerald Executive rank. At the Emerald Executive rank, you earn $25 for each of your 12 team members that join you on this stage. That's a total of $300. You will also earn a step-out bonus of $75. At this stage, you also earn a non-cash incentive of a brand new laptop worth $625. Your total earning at the Emerald Executive rank is $1,000. At the completion of Emerald Executive rank, the system automatically upgrades you to the Ruby Executive rank. At the Ruby Executive rank, for each of your 12 team members that joins you at this stage, you earn $50 each, making a total of $600. You also earn a step-out bonus of $1,900. At this stage, you also earn a non-cash incentive of a car support bonus worth $8,700. Your total earning at the Ruby Executive rank is $11,250. At the completion of the Ruby Executive rank, the system automatically upgrades you to the Blue Diamond Ambassador rank. At the Blue Diamond Ambassador rank, for each of your 12 team members that join you at this stage, you earn $100 each, making a total of $1,200. Here you also earn an EduTour worth $5,000, a car worth $45,000, and a housing fund worth $50,000 as well. And here is the grand rank of them all, the Black Diamond Ambassador rank. It gets really interesting at this level. For each of your 12 team members that join you at this stage, you earn $175 on each of them, making a total of $2,100. Here you earn a step-out bonus of $112,500 and a housing fund worth $200,000. Your total earning at the Black Diamond Ambassador rank is $314,600. Again, as a Black Diamond Ambassador, you are positioned to partake in sharing from the company's quarterly percentage global pool bonus. Residual income from optional packages. An exciting feature about the Skillznet platform is the opportunity to earn an additional stream income from our optional packages while building your business. For anyone that buys any of the amazing optional packages, we also pay residual income up to 5 levels deep. If you refer anyone to purchase the SwingNet Intranet or Dcxnet, you earn $5 each, while you earn $5 on the Fundamental Dashboard and $10 on Indices Premium. What are your dreams? Do you have a proven plan to achieve them? Skillznet is offering you an opportunity to acquire requisite skills combined with a proven compensation plan that guarantees the fulfillment of your dreams. Sign up now and get set to achieve your dreams. Be empowered.